Uh-oh. Oops. I think I made a mistake on my low-carb diet. Don't worry. Help is on the way with 10 most common low-carb diet mistakes, with infographic included in your low-carb survival kit. You receive an ebook and infographic. For a hassle-free, healthy transition into a low-carb diet, make sure you're avoiding these common mistakes. Here's your chance to finally make good on that resolution or goal. No more excuses. It's hard to figure out what you can eat or not, how to do everything correctly and basically stay on track with your diet and lifestyle choice. Then throw in life. Yes, life happens, making it even harder to succeed. It's one thing to be on a low-carb diet lifestyle when you are at home, but life happens. We get busy. We get out. We go places and have people over. So I put this low-carb survival kit together to give you the best chance of succeeding on this lifestyle choice. With these tools and information, you can succeed. You are armed to battle most life challenges that you'll have to face on your low-carb diet, and win.